if you are among those who get confused about when to use no and not in your sentences, do not worry, because after this lesson, you will know exactly when to use them, okay? We use no to make nouns negative. Nouns. That means we use no to negate a noun in a sentence. It usually makes the noun to be zero quantity. So any noun you have in a sentence, when you introduce no, you make that noun to be zero quantity. Okay? We use no to negate verbs. Verbs. Adjectives. Adverbs. It can also be used before an article in a sentence. As we answer these questions, you will get better understanding. You will know exactly when to use them in sentences, okay? 1. I have blank money to buy food. Here, we have money, and this is a noun. To make this noun negative, we introduce no. I have no money to buy food. 2. She is blank at home today. This phrase, at home, is usually a prepositional phrase, but in this sentence, it functions as adverb. Adverbial phrase of place. So because it is functioning as adverb, we use not. She is not at home today. 3. There is blank milk in the fridge. We have the word milk. Milk is a noun. To make it negative, we introduce the word no. There is no milk in the fridge. 4. They are blank ready for school. The key word here is ready. Ready is an adjective. So what is the right word to use in order to make it negative? For adjectives, we use not. They are not ready for school. 5. He has blank friends in the city. The word friends is a noun. So what do we use to make it negative? No. He has no friends in this city. 6. I am blank feeling well today. Feeling is a verb. What is the right word to use here? Not. I am not feeling well today. 7. We have blank time left. Time is a noun. So the correct word to use here is no. No time. That means zero quantity, zero time. We have zero time left. 8. She did blank come to the party. Come is a verb. So the right word to use is not. She did not come to the party. 9. There is blank sugar in my tea. The word sugar is a noun. So what do we use here? No. No is used for nouns. There is no sugar in my tea. 10. I am blank angry with you. Angry is an adjective. So the correct word to use here is not. I am not angry with you. 11. They have blank water to drink. Water is a noun. So the right word to use is no. It makes it negative. It means zero quantity of water. They have no water to drink. 12. He is blank coming to work today. Coming is a verb. So the right word to use to make it negative is not. He is not coming to work today. 13. I have blank idea what happened. Idea is our keyword, and idea is a noun. So to make it negative, we introduce no. Zero idea. I have no idea what happened. 14. She is blank. Sorry, this is a mistake. This is a continuation of the sentence. She is blank happy about the results. What do you think about this one? Please provide the answer in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Please give it a like and see you in my next grammar lesson.